Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. Today I am going to make boiled eggs with potato masala curry. I have taken 6 eggs over here and I am slitting the eggs this type. If you like my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, share. I will put some saffron and fry the eggs. I will put the oil, put in the eggs to fry. Now I'll take out the eggs because it is turned brown. Put in the potatoes to turn brown. Potatoes are turned nice and brown, so I will take it out now. Put in the bay leaves. Put in the chopped onions. Put some jeera powder, some dhania powder, put some chili powder, Madrasi curry powder, masalas are turned brown. Now I will put in the eggs and potatoes. I've chopped up one tomato, which I will put in. Put salt to taste. Now put in the water. Put in the garam masala. Let the curry cook for 10 minutes. Boiled eggs and potato with masala curry is ready to be eaten.